Good job, Gare. Yeah. You're doing a good job. You want to come get the camera? That was good. Yeah, that is the camera. What's going on? Are you walking? Where's your ball?
There it is.
There's your ball.
Good job. Garrison, no, baby.
Hey, Gare, come here. Come look what I got. Can you come walk to me? Can you show everybody how you walk? Can you entice him?
You got your train. Pearson, I got your shoes. I got your shoes. You've got your train. The train's been pretty cool today.
This is true.
Ooh. You did it. You have to push it with your whole hand, not just your finger. Yeah, exactly right. Good job. Smarty. That's right, your whole hand. Push it down. Ooh, try again. Oh, whole hand. You have to push it down. It's a little complicated. Use your whole hand. This is not working for you. You're doing it. Yeah, you did it. You just have to put it on the ground.
I have way zoomed in.
Mm-hmm. Can you come show mommy? Can you bring the train to mommy? Smarty. Oh.
One more try.
He's too busy.
Yeah.
He's got the train figured out now, though. Just put it on the ground and let it go.
Roll it. Now do it. Do it. Push it down. Push. Push it down. Push. Push.
Use your whole hand.
There you go. Push. Yeah, good job. Like that. Push it down just like that. Push. Okay, ready? Go. Woohoo! It worked. You just didn't put it on the ground.
Whoa. This is a really long video.